border as a outline. Border with outline. Button with outline. Okay. BTN hyphen outline hyphen primary. Just add the outline in between. Everywhere. Add the outline everywhere. Add the outline everywhere. Okay. BTN hyphen outline hyphen. So outline, what it will do, it will create a border. Like suppose you are given border button hyphen outline hyphen primary. So your button will have blue color as a border. Once you move the mouse on that, it will convert, the border will remove and the blue will get applied. Okay, something. Let's go now. We'll create an example and see that how that look. Okay, we'll add one more class here, button group. Sometimes we want to display multiple buttons together. So you can write a class called btn hyphen group. btn hyphen group. Float left property you have seen. Float left property. Related to float left, lot of people ask the question. Okay, scenario wise. People will ask you the question. I'm creating the multiple blocks. Okay. My blocks was going to the next line. I added the float left if it started coming in the same line. But the problem is the footer of the website is gone. Footer is not visible. What is the problem in that? Understood or not? Here, suppose there is a page. Inside the page, multiple blocks are there. Assume here is the blocks. It's coming side by side, side by side. If will not add float left, where it will go? Next to next it will go. So the person is trying to say, I have a page where I am trying to display the multiple blocks in one line, 3 block, 4 block. I follow the CSS, then it was going to the next line. Then I added the property called float left. Then it started coming in the same line. Problem got fixed, but the problem came another problem. The footer section was here. This footer section is hide now. It's not visible. What is the solution for that? Okay. So you will not say simply call clear both. Clear both is the answer only. But we need to explain the problem. This problem happened because of that it is going inside. Solution is that clear both. Okay. So what is that solution? So you will say when I follow the float left, then what will happen? The indexing will get increased. 1 minute. Okay. I have example. I created a study for some people. So yeah. 4:30. Where are you? Which page? Here. Therefore, see that. This is one division without float left. This is last division without float left. The first and last have no float left. Let me remove from here float left, float left, float left, float left, and remove this clear both also. Save the file. See, hide something with something. One division on the top, one division in the last, and 3 division in between. Let me run this file. One is on the top, one is in the last. No problem. Top is in the top, last is in the last. And these three are coming one after other. Next. These all are coming in the same line, but the problem came here. Footer went inside. That is only people will say, I have a page, I am creating a new page inside. I added the 3-4 blocks. It was printing one after other. I searched from internet, float left, I found I applied. Okay, now when float left I applied, my problem got fixed. The division is coming in the same line, but the next problem start. My footer got hide. Footer become here, there is overlapping happen. What the problem and what is the solution? Now in this you can see green is up or yellow is up down. Who is up, who is down? While looking we feel no, yellow is up and the green is down. Look inside the code where we have applied the float left. Middle 3 division we have applied the float left. Middle 3 division we apply the float left. First division no float left. Last division also no float left. When we come to the browser, how many divisions are feel like it's a hanging? 3 division, orange, orange, orange. This look like no, it's a hanging in the wall somewhere. Okay, see what will happen whenever you apply the float left, the Z indexing, the problem was coming in the position absolute. Position absolute was there. There also what will happen? Z index will get engaged, overlapping will happen. So here also what happened when we apply the float left, the index will get increased. By default, all division will be on the same level. Multiple plates you throw together, one after other, all will come one after other. But once you keep all the plates, what will happen? It will happen one by one. Indexing will get applied. If all plates are individually thrown, then all will be one after other. It will not be overlap. Here, when you write the float left, what will happen? Your division was, all the division was on the equal level. As soon as you apply the float left, the index will get increased by 1. Okay. So without float, the division will be on the 0 index. With float, the division will come on 1 index. So 0 is down and 1 is up. Look at here. Blue is 0, green is also 0, and the orange is 1 and 1. Now 1 went up and green went down. Suppose example in home, you have a table. Inside the table, put the bag. Look from the top, what you will see? Table you will see. You can't see the bag because the table index is high and the bag index was low. Bag went inside the table. But just in front of table, keep one more table with the same height. What will happen? Table will not go behind the table. Both the table will be visible because both are on the equal index. Here our float left says like whenever you apply the float left, problem will come, indexing problem will happen. Okay, index will get increased. When the index will get increased, then what will happen? Below content will go inside, next content will go inside. And we are not looking from the side, we are looking from the top. When we look from the top, what we can see? Higher index content we can see. Because of that, you are able to see which one? Orange block. Green is hiding. Okay, the problem has come from where? Whenever we apply the float left or right, indexing will get increased. Once the index will get increased, it will go up and next content will go inside. Now what we have to put? One element is on higher index, another element is on lower index. Now between higher index and lower index, we have to put a separator. Saying like lower index, you see will be separate and higher index will be separate. That is this one. We have written many times. This one, call which one? Clear colon both. Maybe you call directly, call by class, call by ID, that is your next matter. When we write it now, what will happen? Here is a clear float left saying like these elements are on higher index. Without float left, say these elements are on lower index. So between higher index and lower index, you put a separator that is called clear block. Saying like higher index be separate, lower index be separate. Lower index don't go inside the higher index. Now user will look from the top. What user will see? Still orange is on higher index only. Orange is not on lower index. Orange blocks are still higher index. But after higher index, there is a separator. Saying like lower index, you be separate. Okay, so that float left when the people ask, you can explain them in that way. It will be helpful for you. Okay, we are creating a file called bootstrap button.html. Create a file bootstrap button.html. Or we have one file, yesterday file, no? This file, list group. List group we have. Inside the list group, we have not added anything in the right hand side. Right hand side is empty still. Right side is empty only. We can utilize that. Please come to the list group.html file that we have made yesterday. Open the list group.html file that we have made yesterday. Okay. I will share this file in the chat also. List group file will send you in the chat. List group file we got. Open that. Then we have made yesterday 4. 4 will convert into 3. And after the 3, we'll create one more called 9. Division class equal to call hyphen lg hyphen 9. Call hyphen lg hyphen 9. Call lg 3, call lg 9. Call lg 3, call lg 9. After that, inside the 9, you keep a heading h3 button list or maybe button example. Now after that, you can write 9 end here. Okay, let's go there. Write a button open close, class equal to btn hyphen primary. So whichever the classes we have written, you can use directly and check how that look. Primary, btn primary. And if you remember, there is a class called M series. M related, how many classes was there? So many, 25. 25 classes were there, no? M related, margin related. M2 we are given. One button will leave 8 pixel from surrounding. Let's keep one more class. Primary, then danger. It's here called danger. Please check now. Red and blue button is coming. Two button will come. One will be the red color. Another will be called two button. Similar way, how many buttons we have? Many are there. We can write here. Danger, success, info, warning, secondary, right? And then have a look once. All different colors are coming or not. Different color combination will come. Many more we have. Book written something like this. Multiple color combination we have. Let's go after this. You can write one HR inside that. You will write a button now. Not button now. These buttons we can keep again. Same buttons we can keep again. And we can apply here called outline. Before primary, you apply outline. Outline hyphen. Apply this class. Outline hyphen. Just apply the outline everywhere. You'll see the button design will be changed completely. It will come with the border. Once you move the mouse, then color will apply. It will come with the border. Once you move the mouse, then the color will apply. Primary, danger, success, info, warning, secondary. Hope the button is coming with outline. So design is little different. Next, we can add one more button for BTN group. Let's write one more HR. Inside you can add here. Follow a div, close the div, and for this div, write class equal to btn group. btn hyphen group. btn hyphen group. Inside the btn group, you will copy and paste this section again and remove the M2 class. Copy and paste this section and remove the M2 class. Under the button group, all the button code you copy paste and remove the M2 class. Remove the M2 class. Button will have no any space between two and it will look very smooth and clean button with the line. Let's see. Primary, danger, success, info, warning, secondary. Something like this. So there is no any gap between any buttons. Lining is coming very smooth line. That is called BTN group. With the help of BTN group, we can make multiple buttons without any space. Both look similar. Yes, no should come. All are silent completely. Working. Next, we'll go to the developer guide and we'll make a note of. So how many types of button we found? So many types of button. So many types of button we found. Okay, let me open any website and ask you which class it will be. बताइए, which class this should be? Danger. Danger only, no? This also can be danger. So when you open the website now on internet, if anywhere button will come, after looking into the color, you will identify which class he has written. Okay. Okay. Good. Okay. Let's see now. See, suppose this is a row. This is a row. Assume from blue line, entire blue block is a row. Inside row, this is one section. This is another section. What should be the color? What should be the column combination? See properly. This is blue block is a row. Inside there is a two column. First column having some text. Second column having a form. What should be the column combination? देख कम से कम बोलना है ना. Check once. Call LG है ऐसे में that is not matter. See the width. It is 8 or 9 or 3 or 4. What is that? 8 4. It is 8 4 based on 8 and 4. Okay. यहाँ पे देखो आप, see this. What should be the combination of this? 4 4 4. 4 only? It's wrong. Look at here. It is 4 only. That's clear. But inside the 4, how many columns are there? 2 are there, no? Inside the 4, there is a row. And inside the row, there is a 3 9 combination. Okay. Okay. See this now. This block is one block in the left side, another block in the right side. You can say 3 9 directly. Here, how many are there? 2 are there, no? What should be that? 3 and 9. Inside the 9 again, how many? 6 and 6. So inside the 9, you can't make 6 and 6. 9 is already a column. Inside the 9, there will be a row. Inside the row again, 6 and. Okay. So after looking into someone page, you need to identify how he has written. Okay. इसको देखो आप. How it is? How it will be? 3 3 3 or 4 4? 4 4 4 4. Completely 4. Okay. See here. If you look at this block, see this string is coming to the new line. This string, this much is coming to the new line. Why it is not continuing the same line? Because 8 has the content and 4 is empty. It is a combination of 8 and 4. 8 has the content and 4 is empty. So 8 content will be within the 8 only. It cannot touch to 4. 4 is empty means let it be empty. Okay. So when you look on someone page, after looking into their structure, you should say, mechanical engineer will see the vehicle and they will say your nozzle is wrong. Nozzle is not working properly. Correct? Mechanical engineer, a doctor will listen your voice and he will say you have the cough. Clear or not? A software engineer will look someone website and after looking into the website, he will say, yes, there is a problem of this is working on this. Okay. Your thoughts should be like that. Let's go next. Okay. So we are going to write the next class that is called form-control. Imagine. Okay. Imagine in the sense, like when you look someone, like when you go to the, like suppose you are sitting in the room. Okay. In this room we are sitting, right? See, in this room, what are the things is organized based on the grid system. इस रूम में देखो आप, कुछ ग्रिड सिस्टम पे बना हुआ है? Anything? This row and columns are based on grid system only. This is 1 6. This is another 6. Inside the 6 there is a multiple row. Okay. चलिए. Okay. So form control class we have. It is applicable for form control class we have. It is applicable for text. We write input type equal to text. We write input type equal to number. We write input type equal to email. We write input type equal to something, file. We write sometime text area. We write sometime, what else we write? Password. We write sometime date time, local, date time local, date time hyphen local. Date time local. Hope ready? Let's go next. So whenever we use the class as a form control class, we will be using the form design, and this is applicable for following input type, and it is not applicable for following input type. Not applicable, not applicable in radio button, and not applicable in checkbox. So whenever you create the checkbox and radio button, you will not use the class equal to form control. Okay. Class equal to form control. Form control class, what it will help you? Let's see. Okay, it has three sizes. Okay, sizes. We'll write here call sizes. What are the sizes are there? One is called form control hyphen sm. Second is form control hyphen md, and third one is form control hyphen lg. Okay, form control sm, md, and lg. By default is md. 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 Okay, so hope ready. Create a file form1.html. 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 Create a file form1.html. Body will open close. HTML will also close. Form1.html. Form1.html. Let's follow the division. Class equal to row, and follow inside column. Class equal to call hyphen lg hyphen 4 4 4. Okay, hope ready. 4 4 4. Come inside the middle 4. Right there. H3. Form control. Example, we will write inside division class equal to form hyphen, not form hyphen, MB3. What will happen in division that? MB3 will give the margin bottom, not 3, 16 px, 16 pixel. Let's keep a label, a small input, input type equal to text, class equal to, okay, check without class, see how that looks. Hope ready? Check now. Text box and input field are coming in the same line. This is the default feature of HTML in that there is no any contribution from the CSS. It's like this. No better look and feel. Now we will apply a class here. Class equal to form hyphen control. Class equal to form hyphen control and save it. Class equal to form control and check once. Form control, any difference? Complete look got change. Display width 100%. Width 100%. Width 100%. Under the form control, width is 100%. Under the form control class, width is 100%. So width 100%, that meaning how much it will take? Full width of Pol LG4. Then definitely label will go to the next line. It will not come in the same line. Okay, copy the same and paste after this. MD, medium, and one more keep down called large. Large. By default, it will come as a medium only. We have to apply the remaining classes, SM and MD, SM and LG. Then it will be difference. SM and MD will apply, then it will be difference. Hope written. All are coming to where? New line. All are going to the new line. By default like this. We will apply the class now. Form control class, we have added one class. Let's add one more class. First one, form control hyphen SM. form hyphen control hyphen sm, form hyphen control hyphen sm. Second one, form hyphen control hyphen md. MD will be default one. You will not find changes. Form control as a LG. LG. Okay. Difference happen. Height is different. That is called size. See, if you type here, text will be small size. Here text will be medium size. Here text will be large size. Come in the last, create one button also. Button called send my message. Class equal to btn hyphen primary and follow m3. From all the side there will be 16 pixel of gap. Hope you got a button. Blue colors, send my message. See how clean the text box is coming. Clean. So in future, if anyone is saying like write your own code, don't copy from don't use the bootstrap. They want text box exactly like this. What we'll do? We'll download the bootstrap. We'll go to the form control class. Form control, focus, hover, जो भी उसका लिखा हुआ है, all will take, add in your file, and give the class name called input element, or give the class name called my. Huh? Bootstrap.css file. You can find a copy. Find कर लो आप. Find the control F form icon control. Form control find कर लिए इसमें मिल जाएगा आपको, वहां से निकाल के डाल दो. In one company, I was giving the training to some 52 developers. In that, 2 person was there, very lazy person and very excellent person also. Very lazy means they never attend the training. And when morning I was giving 2 hours, 3 hours training, and then go to office again 7 o'clock I was going there to see the work I have given they have completed or not. So the 2 person have never attended the training, and if you ask anything, they will never say. But evening time their output was before only. I asked where you do this one. They were saying, sir, we are expert in copy paste. We are expert in Google search. We never attend your training, but my output will be always. You give any task, come in evening, will be ready. Okay, so all skills are required. It's not like only we should have memorize only, we need to remember only. We should have a skill also. What I need to search, because when you go in the market and work somewhere, company is not going to ask you remember or not. Company want output. Okay, you search on internet, everyone cannot remember everything, but everyone remember how to implement. Okay, if you remember how to implement, we can win the game. Okay, so form control class, we saw the benefit, plus same time we saw the form control SM, MD and LG also. Button we have written. Now we'll design some different type of forms using the grid system. Grid system will be row column formula, and the form control will be our class name for the input box. Buttons we have now, image classes we have now, margin padding we have now, text color we have now, background color we have now. We have many things now. We can mix and we can generate something. Okay, so create next file, template2, template2.html, template2.html. Template1 we have made one day, I guess. Template1 we have not made. No, create template1 only. Template1. Template1.html. Font awesome folder, hope we have somewhere. Icon folder. We have icon folder somewhere. We have gone through the CSS and we have an icon folder somewhere, right? Please copy the icon folder and paste into the bootstrap folder. Bring your icon folder and paste under the bootstrap folder. Icon folder you copy, it should be under the CSS, external CSS somewhere. It should be somewhere external CSS. In external CSS, you may have a folder called icon. I will send in the chat also once. In case if you are missing, you can use this. Icon folder will come in chat. Icon folder I sent in the chat. In case if you are missing, please use that icon folder and that copy that folder and paste under the bootstrap folder. So your dist folder, icon folder and your files are at one place. Here only we have the icon folder also and dist folder also and all the files. Okay. Next, after that, let's go to the your template file. Okay, reply kijiye once you are ready. Reply once yes, ready. Then we can move next. Okay, fine then. Come to your template1 file and call that bootstrap also. Come to the template file. In the template file, you will call here dist replace by icon space css space all dot css. icon space css space all dot css. Icon space css space all dot css. Hope you called. Let's go now. For body tag, write the bg primary class equal to bg hyphen primary. So complete background will come white color, sorry, blue color. Next division class equal to container and empty hyphen 3. Next, after that, inside to create two block. Follow a row class, and inside the row class, create two column. Create two column, a division class equal to call hyphen lg hyphen 4, and another one is called 8. We have a class called text left. Text left. Text left or text first? Text first will print in the beginning. Text end will print in the last. Text end, I think. एक second, okay, मैं देख लेता हूँ. Text some modification are there. Okay, so as of now in this file, under the call lg4, you write text hyphen center. So your content will appear in the middle. And after that, print inside. Follow the h1. Under the h1, you follow the class called text white. Text hyphen white. So which color will come? White color will come. Bootstrap is awesome. Bootstrap is awesome. Now, below to that, write another tag called label. Label or a small tag. A small tag. Under the small tag, write keep using. And this a small tag class equal to text danger. Text danger. It come in which color? Red color. Red color. Container. NER. Okay. R should be there. Container. Okay. Next, so 4 is done. Now come to the 8. Under the 8, what will do? You will follow a division, and this division will be called as a button group. We have used just now class equal to btn hyphen group. Btn group. And inside the 8, we will write text hyphen end. Text hyphen end. So it will print from the right side. Okay. And then you will follow call button. Since the background is a blue color, so which color we should follow? Okay. About us, then contact us, then register, and then call login. And then we have a class name btn hyphen light. White color it will come. btn light will come in white color. Add, and add. Then see how that look. 4 will be in the left side, 8 will be in the right side. Button will come like continuous button. Background will be different and the text will be different. Clear? Anything is coming? Something like this. Okay, Bootstrap is awesome for you. One line or next line? Same line? Double line. For me, it's becoming a double line because my screen is running a small size. No problem. I will increase the sharing of that. I will give here 6 in the right side, and for him also I'll give it a 6. For him also I'll give it a 6. So that maybe it will come in the same line. 6 and 6 maybe for me working for me. You let it be which number? 4 and 8. Yours 4, 8 is okay, but here something similar. Now inside the button we need to apply the icons. Buttons we have, before every button there should be icon. So here icon we are calling. So what we'll do now? Hope we remember the icon how to apply. We can open the iClass, I tag we can open close, and we can write here class equal to which one? fa hyphen home. fa hyphen home. fa hyphen home. Correct. Next again about. About in the sense you can give some building. fa building. It may give a building symbol. Next will be contact. fa map marker or maybe headset. Register. fa user hyphen plus. Next login. fa lock. Please check this much. Icons are coming. After closing the I tab, you must give one space from the keyboard so that between icon and text you will have some space. Hope we got the icons. See, icon like this. My page got broken little there. Okay, so because of icon, I will reduce my text and I'll change the number system. 5 7 maybe. You can keep 4 8 combination only. Keep 4 8 combination. 4 8 combination. 5 7 combination will be mine because the screen is running on different size and we have used only LG class. See something like this. Check. Okay, then after that, what should happen is the blue block will end here, and from here, white section will start. Okay, so what to do for that? Container is end. Here, container is end. Okay, container is end. You will start another container. Container is end. You will start another container. Container is end. You will start another container. Div class equal to container. This container will have empty hyphen 4 or empty. Okay, let's follow empty 3 and write one more class here called height 400 or maybe height 450. Height 450. Height 450. And inside you will write bg white, bg hyphen white, bg white, height 450 and bg white. Now you will write a class called height 450. 450 class is not exist. We have to create our own class 450 pixel. Mean height 450. See, this one we wrote. We can go here and we can open the style, close the style, and inside the style block you can write a class called height 450. Inside you can write mean hyphen height 450px. Then see how the template is coming. Blue will be on the top, blue will be in the last, and white will be in between. Blue will be on the top, blue will be in the last, white will be in between. Height 450 class we wrote. Inside what we wrote? Mean height 450. See, this is the container. Container is an end. Container is after end of this container. It's not like you create one more container inside container. This container is open and close. Again, one more container open close. Empty 3, margin top 16 pixel, and height how much? 450 bg white. So minimum height will be 450 pixel and background will be white color. In case if you have more content, 450 will get increased according to need. Hope ready. See how that look. Coming like this. This is in the top, this is in the bottom, in between something. If you remember a class called rounded, one class was there rounded, we can call here a rounded class. So what will happen? The corner will be little curve. And container you have follow. If you remember, we have a class called container fluid also. Container hyphen fluid we have. Follow here container hyphen fluid. It will cover how much? Almost full width. Container fluid. See, Bootstrap is a design. Okay, so till now I'm not forcing to learn anything extra. Till now we have used few classes and we have used inside this page those classes only that we have written the note. Okay, which class? If we talk any class, font awesome we have used, then we have used here. Container bg primary we have written, then we have used here. After that, you can say button related classes we have written, we have used here. Then another thing, rounded, busy white, container flute, MT1 to 5 we have written. All are those classes that we have listed already inside developer guide that we have used here. Okay. So whichever the class we have made a note, you can remember that. In few days, you will design very good template. Okay. So this look like this. Covering how much? Full width. Okay. So this look like this. This look like header. This look like footer, and this is the container in between. Okay, similar or different? Yes, no should come. Or shall I share the file? Rounded space of container. You can use class called, which class we have used? Rounded circle we have used. If you want more rounded space, then you can use rounded circle. राउंडेड मीन्स राउंडेड उससे कम चाहिए तो लिख लो अपना, लिख लीजिए अपना. If you want less than that, create your own class. Apply border radius 30%. In that is written 50%. Where? In the rounded circle, the border radius is 50%. If you want less radius, create a class and give border radius 20%. Okay, we can create our own easily. Okay, okay then. See you next class. When we have next, we have on Monday only. So I think I have sent you a study video. Study video I have shared. Sent in the WhatsApp group. Two videos was there. I sent in the group. You can have a look. This one I'll send you again today evening.